On this week's edition of the Business Review, TVJ's Andrew Laidley delves in the business behind the science.
Dr. Chanel Delahaye Mackenzie is a scientist at the University of the West Indies, Mona. She started an entire business using her scientific background. It's called Dela Enzi Essentials. She says the business was established out of stories her grandmother told her about bush medicine and natural remedies. So far, she says it's been a success.
So we all know that in the country areas, old people say a bush is good for you. So basically what I did in my PhD research was to authenticate the benefits, to see if what they said was really true. And it worked. Whatever the old people said, it worked. So what I did was to just, after the PhD study, I continued to research other plants, and then I realized it was marketable because it really works.
The business, which relies heavily on raw material, is also providing a platform for farmers to sell produce which they would have otherwise discarded.
Our raw materials are sourced from local farmers. We get some of our raw materials from the market, Coronation Market downtown, and a lot of our raw materials are basically waste materials that we collect from the vendors after they have dried out too much and they can't be sold to locals.
And that's not the only partnership the company has forged.
We partner a lot with local entrepreneurs. So once we find an entrepreneur that their product goes well with our oils, we partner with them.
But there are challenges.
The Jamaica Bureau standard, they do not provide a standard for our essential oil. In order to ship it out on a large scale, we need a standard. So what we have to be doing now is getting standards from overseas, which is very expensive. So that's one of the biggest barriers that we're faced with now.
At the same time, Dela Enzi Essentials is looking to expand and build out its capacity.
One of the things that we are working on right now is we are working from a lab space right here in Kingston, but we would like to expand into a factory space.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.